1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. Price, $18,750. Location, Oklahoma. The 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is a true symbol of timeless luxury and German engineering excellence. As the final production year of the iconic R107 series, this model represents the peak of refinement, combining classic styling with reliable performance. Finished in its original smoke silver metallic, this car captures attention with its elegant and understated presence on the road. The beauty of this 560 SL lies in its versatility, thanks to the inclusion of two tops. You can enjoy the sleek and solid look of the removable hardtop during cooler days, or switch to the dark brown soft top for a more relaxed, open-air driving experience. This dual personality makes it perfect for both weekend cruising and stylish daily drives. The heart of this classic roadster is its powerful fuel-injected V8 engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The driving experience is both refined and responsive, offering a balance of comfort and performance that defines the Mercedes-Benz legacy. With power steering and four-wheel disc brakes, every journey feels controlled, stable, and enjoyable. The interior reflects true luxury from the late 1980s, featuring cream-colored seats that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The cabin is equipped with air conditioning, power windows, and a classic four-spoke steering wheel. The VDO instrument cluster and Becker Grand Prix radio add an authentic vintage touch, making every drive feel like a step back in time. The attention to detail continues with chrome accents, Gullideckal-style 15-inch wheels, and a complete set of original tools and spare tire. This California car comes with a clean history report and factory literature, adding even more value for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate originality and documentation. The 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is more than just a classic car, it is a statement of style, heritage, and lasting quality. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates timeless design, this vehicle offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that still turns heads and delivers a truly enjoyable driving experience.